friends, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to study the fourth poem of class 11, which is Urmila Ka Virah Gaan. Okay, so who is Urmila? So there's this story in Ramayana that there were four brothers, Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughan. So Ram's wife was Sita and Lakshman's wife was Urmila. So Urmila is Lakshman's wife. So, during Ramayana, Ram and Sita both had to go in a forest day, which is Vanvas. So, with them, even Lakshman accompanied them. But he had gone there to serve Rama. That's why he didn't take his wife Urmila. So, for about 14 years, Urmila and Lakshman were separated, and at that time there was no source of communication. So, this poem is usually talking about the sacrifice that Urmila made so that her husband Lakshman could fulfill his duty towards his brother and his wife. And this is how she supported him, she prayed for him. So this is basically revolving around Urmila. Urmila Ka Virah Gaan means this is about Urmila's separation from her husband Lakshman. It is written by Maithili Sharan Gupta. So come on, let's explore her. साखे जाओ तुम हंसकर भूल, रो मैं सुधा करके रोती. So here you can see that Lakshman goes with Rama. He is happy to fulfill his duty. On the other hand, Urmila is waiting for him and crying. So she is saying that my happiness lies in your happiness. You are happy serving your brother Ram, and I am here waiting, crying for you. तुम्हारे हंसने में है फूल, हमारे रोने में मोती. So when you laugh, our life is filled with the fragrance of flowers, and my tears are like pearls. They are precious because they are flowing in your memory. तुम्हारे हंसने में है फूल, हमारे रोने में है मोती. मानती हूँ तुम मेरे साथ. She says that you are my God. So there is this thing which they used to say in the past, Pati Parameshwar. So they used to compare their husband to Shri Vishnu or God Bhagwan. So here she says, Manti ho tum mere sadhya. So you are my Bhagwan. Ahanirash ekmatra aradhya. You are my only deity and I am your devotee. You are my God, you are my deity. Sadhika मैं भी किंतु अबाध्य. हूँ या सोती. I am your devotee. I always worship you. There is abhadya means no restrictions. There is no restrictions on my love for you. Even when you are away from me, I am still connected to you, still praying for you. Jagti ho ya soti. When I am awake, I am thinking about you. When I am asleep also, I am thinking about you. तुम्हारे हंसने में है फूल, हमारे रोने में मोती. सफल हो जाए तुम्हारा त्याग. Whatever sacrifice you have given may be fulfilled. Safal means successful. So whatever sacrifice you have given, for whatever reason, you may be successful. Nahi nishfal mera anurag. Anurag means prem. She's saying that my love is not artificial. It is not so weak that separation will break it. It is really very strong and I am willing to support you. सिद्धि है स्वयं साधन भाग. सुधा क्या शुधा न जो होती. So she's saying that she's always thinking about him. She can't think about food. She doesn't feel hungry. So Shuddha is hunger, matlab bhook. And Sudha means Amrut. Amrut is like everybody has to die one day. But there is this concept of Amrut that if you drink this Amrut, you become like Amar, means you don't die. So Sudha kya Sudha na jo hoti. Without you even there is no value for my hunger, for Amrut, anything. I'm still thinking about you. तुम्हारे हंसने में है फूल, हमारे रोने में मोती. काल की रुके ना चाहे चाल, मिलन से बड़ा विरह का काल. The time is flowing and for 14 years we are separated, and when we are separated we are sad. So like you must have felt that when you're sad you think that time is not going only, but when you're happy life goes just away. So she's just saying that कि मिरन से भरा विरह का काल means sadness here is so much long that happiness is not really coming. वह लाया यह प्रलय सुविशाल, it's like a big flood in my life without you. दृष्टि मेरे दर्शन नाथ धोती, दृष्टि में दर्शन ना धोती. माई आईज आर स्टिल लॉन्गिंग फॉर यू, दे आर वेटिंग फॉर यू. तुम्हारे हंसने में है फूल, हमारे रोने में है मोती. Okay, so this is the pain of Urmila which the writer talks about. We will also read the introduction paragraph. So प्रस्तुत कविता में उर्मिला का आत्मनिवेदन है. Means this is how she thinks when she is separated. लक्ष्मण के वनमगन प्रसन्न पर अभी अभी विवाहित. They were just married and she had come. And when a girl goes to her ससुराल, she has a lot of expectations from her husband and from her family. She goes there holding the hand of her husband, and here she is sacrificing for her bigger brother and her sister. So this is how it is, and that's why it's lot of important. And this is a big sacrifice which she does. So that's why this poem is important. Please read the this paragraph also. This is very important. And whenever the teacher gives you the answer, she will give you from here also, from this paragraph also. Okay. So I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe my channel because from some days I'm not getting any new subscribers. So thank you.